keep my hands to myself. Hands to myself. Can't keep my hands to myself. Hands to myself.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own keycaps or key covers by melting an EOS container. This video is a huge collab with 9 of my YouTube friends. We are all doing EOS related videos. All of the ideas are very unique and creative, so make sure to check the links in the description if you want to see more EOS DIYs. Okay, to make this key cover you will need the lid of an EOS lip balm. It doesn't need to be an EOS, you can use whatever lid of any lipstick if you want. I decided to use the light blue EOS because the lines of the cap makes it look like a lollipop once it is melted. And obviously you will need the key you want to cover. Place the key of your choice on a baking tray and then put over the key the lid of the EOS. Just make sure you don't pass this line that I'm showing here or your key isn't going to work. And now it's time for the fun part. Place this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes in the lowest temperature of your oven. You need to be extra careful with this, you don't want to burn the plastic. Wait for it to be completely cooled down, and now it's time to make it perfect. Use some scissors and a nail file to remove the rough edges of the plastic like I'm doing here. If you burn the plastic by accident, don't worry. You can always paint the keycap to make it something very unique and personalized. And this is the final result. Isn't it super cool? I haven't seen anything like this before and I really love how it turned out. Don't forget to check my friend's videos if you want to see more EOS DIYs. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you aren't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
To each other, and I'm trying. All of the